All right, you amazing humans. There's several different ways to go about this question. So I'm going to do my best to explain it in the easiest way I can think of. So which table contains only values that satisfy the equation y equals 0.5x plus 14? I'm going to write that down. Y equals 0.5x plus 14. So already I'm looking at this and I'm trying to dissect all of it. So I know that this is my B. So it's my y-intercept, right? And then this 0.5 is my M, is my slope. It's my multiplicative. So my y-intercept has to be 14, which means I have to have the ordered pair 0, 14 in my table somewhere. Which, guys, that means I'm deleting this last one. Do you see the ordered pair 0, 0? So the first one is 0, 14. The second one has 0, 14. The third one has 0, 14. The last one has 0, 0. Do you see how this one is proportional? So you know what? I know this cannot be the answer. I'm going to delete it because it doesn't match my equation. So now I'm down to 3. So for me, the best way to do this is to plug in some numbers and see what we get. So considering all of my inputs, my x values are 0, 5, 10, 15, and 20, I'm going to use those. So I'm going to start with 5. So I'm going to input 5, so 0.5 times 5, then plus 14 to see if I get 14.5, 16.5, or 39. And that should tell me my answer, but you guys know I'm going to do it again just to validate and make me confident in my answer. So off the bat, 0.5 times 5. Well, we all know 5 times 5 is 25. So 0.5 times 5 is 2.5 plus 14. Now, when it comes to decimals and I'm trying to do mental math, I like to think of money because it's kind of the easiest way to get my head wrapped around the whole decimal. So if I have $2.50 plus $14, then I would have $16.50. Well, already that eliminates my A and C choices, which just leaves me with B. But you guys know I'm going to try another number just to make sure. So let's plug in 10. So y equals 0.5x plus 14. But instead of 0.5x, I'm going to do 0.5 input 10 plus 14. Now, 5 times 10 is 50. So 0.5 times 10 is 5. And 5 plus 14 is 19. Well, and that checks out. Now that I've done 2, I'm pretty confident that I know my answer is B. Delete. It's not A, it's B. Delete. There we go, guys. If we're not confident, then you could keep going. You could do 0.5 times 15 plus 14, and then 0.5 times 20 plus 14. But that will come out to 21.5, and it will come out to 24, which means that this table matches y equals 0.5x plus 14.